So guys, this is the all-new Meteor, and you can see this is the Supernova blue color that's available. It has 3 variants in total, so I'll show you those 2 variants also. So you can see that it's very much premium looking from before, and it also has a Royal Enfield badge that's embossed in this chrome finish that looks really spectacular, and also has 3 colors. You can see there is a grey color strip here that's going on, which is dividing these 2 colors, and here it is Meteor 350 written down. You also get a saddlebag holder, that's a great thing. So again, a chrome finished muffler, exhaust muffler that looks really classy. There's a lots of chrome bits, example like this, the handlebar, the mirrors, which are also round and they are very much shiny. Now these calipers are completely aluminum calipers. They are fat, they are pretty much grippy, you know. At front you get a round headlamp with a round LED, so it really looks classy. It also has this round indicators. Now these are normal bulbs, and also has a normal bulb in this, so I'll just switch it on and show it to you. It has this fatter forks, so, and it's a disc with dual channel ABS. So guys, this disc is a 300mm disc, and you also get, as I told, ABS rings. So this is ABS ring. You also get dual channel ABS. The rear one is also pretty big, as you can see. It's a 270mm single piston caliper. At rear you get a 140 section fatter tire, which provides you ample amount of grip. Now these are also brushed finished, which is great. I mean, it looks really premium. And now these are not adjustable, so these are spring loaded hydraulic shocks. Now this part what you are seeing, the mudguard, is made up of plastic, so it's not metal as usual of the other Royal Enfields. So this is quite new. You also get a C8 rubber. Now this is a 100 section tubeless tires. The best part about this bike is you can see brushed metal feel on the alloy that actually adds premiumness to it. Here is the 349cc air oil cooled engine that makes 20 bhp of power and 27 Nm of peak torque, made it to a 5-speed gearbox. So here is the gearbox, and the best part is, because it's a cruiser, so the footrest placement is on the front, so you will sit quite relaxed in position. Now the seat is a 2-piece seat, so this seat is quite comfortable. I have sat on it, and this is also quite comfortable. For the pillion, you also get a pillion backrest that also has this Royal Enfield logo here, that's also finished like a brushed metal finish, so it has that brush finish. It also looks quite premium. You get a very good tail lamp that is embossed like this, and of course the indicators. So here is the number plate holder, it's quite down. Here is the sari guard and the place. So I'll just hop on the bike and show you how is this. So the seat height is 765 mm, which means most of the people can actually sit on it, which is great. Now I'll show you the thing. So here is an I button which actually shows you this, so you can change trip A, trip B, trip F, and here is the low beam, high beam. Here is the pass. Now the pass switch is quite reachable, which is very much helpful, you know, in the long distance journeys. Here is the indicator, here is the horn. Now this is an engine kill switch and engine starter, so it has both. So this is kill, this is to start the fuel injection system, and here to start the engine. And here you get a hazard light switch, so you just turn it on, the hazards are on. I'll just show you that also. You can see the hazard switch is on. Now the instrument cluster is a semi-digital one. Here you can see it shows you the time, but yeah, it's wrong time. The thing is, you can have the Bluetooth connectivity here, and which means there is turn by turn navigation here, and here you will get the fuel meter, the auto, the ABS, neutral, telltale lights. The lever feeling is quite good. I mean, the overall plastic quality and the overall quality is really awesome in this bike. It has 3 variants. So this is the Supernova Blue. It also has 2 more variants. I'll show you that also. So this is the overall bike. I'll just switch it on and you can listen to the exhaust note. So here is the exhaust note. It's quite bassy, and you can see the headlamp. It's a halogen unit. This bike gets an all new chassis. You can have a look at this. The chassis is completely new, which will provide you a better stability on the highways. And here is the engine bay. Here also you can see the brushed finish here. It's completely matte black engine that also has Royal Enfield embossed. The grips, the foot peg grips are really good quality. You also get a grip here, the same is there. So the overall quality, fit and finish is really good. With the Royal Enfield Make It Yours program, you can actually customize this bike according to yours. So if you don't want this, you can remove this backrest, you can add a different seat, you get a different guard, and you also get a windshield, so you can have a look at it. So the windshield, you will be getting it as an accessory, and lot of accessories you can actually make it yourself as you like. Due to the BS6, it also gets fuel injection at the catalytic converter, which means the engine will have very much less pollution compared to the BS4 ones, which will be environmental friendly, and you also get good performance and mileage. Now the fuel tank capacity is 15 liters, and it's quite decent. I mean, 15 liters is quite decent for your touring. Now the mileage thing I can only tell after the ride, so let's see how much it actually returns. So this is the Royal Enfield Meteor altogether. So guys, here are 2 other variants of the Meteor. So the previous one I show is the Supernova. Now this is Stella, and that is Cobalt. So the Cobalt also has an yellow color in it. It looks quite a bit like the Thunderbird, yes. And here is the Stella. Now the difference you see is there is normally written like Royal Enfield, and here you see the embossment of this. It looks really good, and it is also matte finish. That means it can appeal more. It looks appealing. Everything is matte finish. That really looks good with the chrome finished everything. Like you can see here, it is chrome finished. This is chrome finished. This is chrome finished. This is chrome finished. So it's a combination of chrome and matte black. Now it's completely different here. You can see this is matte black, and this is also matte black. Even the mirrors are finished in matte black. So the brake levers, everything is finished in matte black. So that is where the main difference is. Now it gets 3 colors. Now this is the black. More 3 colors are there. That gets 2 colors. the only difference is it will be yellow, this is red, and it has 3 colors. So this two are 2 different variants of the Royal Enfield Meteor.